All right, today we have a Master Lock 140. It is a brass lock with a 40 millimeter wide body. It is advertised for indoor and outdoor use, and the cylinder is 4-pin, has a dual locking lever mechanism, which provides pick and pry resistance, or so they say. Today I'm going to be using a Sparrows tension bar, and I have one of the picks from the Dark Shift set, which is also sold by Sparrows. So let's see how long it's going to take for us to get into this thing. Going to use the bottom of the keyway tension. And we got that open. So as you can see, not too difficult for even a novice lock picker like myself. See you next time.